Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to have a look at a repair on a sump that a friend of mine has given me to have a look at. It's an aluminium sump and it's been repaired before, but it's still leaking oil. So yeah, let's have a quick look at it. So yeah, here it is. This is the sump in question. As you can see, it's had a few repairs over the years, but this is the one that's causing issues. As you can see, it's been welded up before. This section isn't leaking, but it is leaking from here. But I think we're going to sort of clean it all back and just start again, to be honest. If you look on the back side here, let's turn that light on, you can see that the weld down here is quite porous. I think that's where the oil's getting in, coming back through the other side. Not much use for an oil sump if you can't hold oil. So let's get the grinder out, clean up that old weld, see if we can make it a bit better. Grinder's ready, got a flat disc on it. It's going to be my weapon of choice. That instantly made an absolute mess. Hopefully you can see all the little pinholes that we've exposed. So that's where the weld's porous. You can see it's actually saturated with oil. When I started cleaning it out, oil that's trapped within the weld started coming out. So that's going to cause a bit of a problem. I'm going to wash it out with some acetone now, and then I think maybe we'll make a few passes with the welder just to get some heat into it and hopefully clean some of that oil out before we actually attempt to weld it up. So let's get some acetone on that. So we're going to be using my trusty Parweld XTT202 TIG welder. It does AC/DC, so perfect for stainless or aluminium. Yeah, let's get it fired up. I've got it set ready to do the aluminium. Let's get it suited up. We'll see if we can get this cleaned up and ready to lay down some welds. At this point, I'm not actually trying to carry out the weld itself. I'm just running over the damaged area with the torch to try and burn out any impurities, get rid of that porosity, and put some heat into the material before we do start the welding process. It's definitely got to get worse before it gets better, and this is definitely getting worse. You can see here from the state of it that it was real porous in there. It's gone completely through. We're making progress though, we're getting there. A couple more passes to burn all the oil out and get it nice and warm. Now I'm actually starting to carry out the repair itself. I decided to start on the inside of the sump, especially as this is the area you're not actually going to ever see, so I thought I'd start here first and then I'll move on to the outside. So we've got the inside all welded up. So I'm going to clean some more of this porosity out of here and then give the outside a going over, and then I reckon we can call that job done. If any of you are interested in the setup that I was using at the time, from memory I think that I was using 160 amps on the machine, but I was using a foot pedal, so this would have varied throughout the whole job. I then had the frequency at about 100 Hertz, and then as for the cleaning effect I had this set at 20%. I was then using a number 8 Furic Pyrex cup with one of their gas lenses, and then the tungsten I was using an E3 purple mixed tungsten, which just works really well for me.
You might have noticed that I'm going back over in some points without any filler wire. This is just to make sure that I've got the new material fused in properly with the parent material, the sump, to make sure that I don't have any leaks.
So there we have it, all welded together. Didn't go too bad. Not, you know, you're never going to get those perfect Instagram welds when you're welding up old cast aluminium that's been soaked in oil, but it's nice and strong, and yeah, should be nice and oil proof now, which is the main thing. So it's only been a bit of a short video, but hopefully you've enjoyed watching it. Something a bit different to the normal, but shows what else we get up to here. You might have noticed that I was using quite a lot of Parweld products. Obviously the Parweld Tig welder, Parweld MIG welder next to it, which we didn't use, and the helmet. I'm not sponsored by these guys, just a fan of their products. But if you're looking to sponsor someone, you know where to contact me. Also, Furic gas lens, absolute lifesaver, love using it. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.